Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. Students, do you all love listening to stories? Have you all been to a zoo? This is the picture of a zoo. Now, I'll be telling you a story of two friends, Zoe and Kiki. Zoe and Kiki goes to the ticket counter. From there to get a bus ticket and takes two tickets. On the counter, the seller says to the Zoe that Zoe is older, so that ticket will cost 48 rupees, and for Kiki the ticket will cost 24 rupees. How much do we pay in total? So let's see how does they pay the money from our lesson Birds Come, Birds Go. So Zoe explains Kiki how to count. 48 plus 24. 48 is 4 tens and 8 ones. 24 is 2 tens and 4 plus is 4 ones. So we have to add. So ones is 8, 4 and tens is 4 too. In ones there is 8 and 4. So 8 sticks and 4 sticks. So 8 plus 4 you have to count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got in ones box 12. So put this 12 in 2 in ones box and 1 in carryover method in tens box. So 1 plus 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. We got 72 rupees. So Zoe and Kiki pay 72 rupees and goes on the bus and enjoys the zoo. So again, one day they decides to go again to the zoo. So now can you help them to count the money? 56 plus 28. 5 tens, 6 ones. 2 tens and 8 ones. Can you add all this? So ones is 8 and 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 6 and 8 is 14. So 4 plus 10. How much? 4. So 4 is in ones box and 1 carry over 10. So 5 plus is 6. Plus 2 is 10. So we get 84 rupees. Very good student. So we learn to add numbers by making groups of tens using the carry over method. You count and find the answer 74 plus 17. Thank you, students.